Hello, welcome to the sixth video of Ecotourism. I am Umar Amin Mohammed from the Department of Biological Sciences, Bauchi State University, Gadao. In our previous video, we talked about a unique group of animals called ungulates, which played an important role in the food chain and the food web because they are the herbivores that provide food for a lot of the carnivores that are basically living in those national parks or game reserves in Africa and Nigeria. Now, we see they are divided into two groups, the even-toed and the odd-toed. Now, today, here is a picture that shows what these toes look like. Now, the other Artiodactyla has this particular family, the family Hippopotamidae. A typical example of is the hippopotamus amphibius. And now, if you look at the two, you see one, two, three, four. It has four toes, making it even. And the next one is in the family Soidae, which is the pig family. And this is the toe of the warthog. And the next family is the Camelidae, which is the family of the camels, the giraffes. And this is the toe of the camel. As you can see, it's two. Remember, and the next one is the Bovidae, which is the family include the goats. If you look at the two, it's also two. Now, the next group is the other Perissodactyla. The other Perissodactyla is the odd-toed ungulates, and a typical example is this particular family, the Equidae, which belongs to the horse, the wild ass, and the zebra. And this is the toe of the zebra. As you can see, it's just one toe, making it odd. And the next one is the family of the rhinoceros, rhinocerotidae. The black rhinoceros is that's the image of the black rhinoceros, a Dicyrus bicornis. Now we are going to talk about the family Bovidae because they are one of the families that have a lot of various groups of animals. And so the question is, what is Bovidae? Bovidae is a family of ruminant mammals, unique for their cloven hoof. Now, what is a cloven hoof? A cloven hoof, which is also known as a cleft hoof, is or divided hoof, a split hoof, is a hoof that is splitted into two toes. And it has a lot of examples of animals that are found in the wild, which includes the African buffalo. We also have the water buffalo, the antelopes, the sheep, the goats, the domestic cattle, and the musk oxen and the bisons. A member of this family is called a bovid. Now, this is a phylogenetic tree showing the division of the subdivision of the bovidae. As you can see here, we have the bovini, the bovine, and the antilopine, which is divided into various groups. You can see the capri, the alcelapine, the hippotelagine, the antilopine, and the rest. And these are the example of the organisms that are found under this phylogenetic tree. As you can see, this is the spotted deer, the Tibetan antelope, the ibex, the goats, the sheep, the wildebeest, the addax, the gazelle, the common illa, and the buffalo. Now, this is another picture that shows their difference based on their horn size or the horn shape. So now, number one, the common ones, we're just going to talk about the common ones in Africa. Number one is the gemstock, the oryx gazella, and number two is the addax, and the other one that is common in Africa is the hartebeest, which is number 5. This one, and another one that is common in Africa is number 6, which is the common eland. This is it. Then we also have apart from that, the hartebeest. That's number 10. Typical example in Yankari, they have the presence of the western hartebeest. Then Of course, we also have uh, what's called the water buck. This one, which is basically the symbol of Yankari Game Reserve. And then the last but not the least, that is very common in Africa, is the buffalo, number 14, and it's called the Censurus Kafa. So that's all for today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can check the other videos. This is the first video you come across. And cheers. See you soon.